What is going on? Clement Townsend, the video journalism advisor for you, back with another video. Are schools teaching students the tech skills so they will be able to pay their bills later in the future? We all know that we live in a technological society. We live in a society where technology is an integral part, so our students learning the tech skills that they need so they can go in the job market and actually be positioned to use technology and understand how to do different things, so they'll have marketable skills so that they can thrive in this 21st century. Certainly when I think about school, I think about assessments and tech. But nowadays, technology is just as important. And I work with students all the time. And some of them say, well, you know what? I'm not really up to speed in terms of technology. Yes, young people know how to use Instagram and they know how to use TikTok and Snapchat. But do they know how to actually film a video and then maybe download it and send the video? Do they know how to transmit files? Do they know the difference between an MOV and a PDF and an MP4? Like, students don't just need to know how to go to a website and to how to click a mouse and maybe play a video game or answer questions on a website. Do students actually know how to use technology? Do they understand the difference between a PNG and a PDF? Do they know how to send those files? Do they know how to work with different files? Do they know how to convert files? Like, just being up to speed and feeling really comfortable with technology, that is the training that students need in school. And certainly what we've seen during the pandemic, we all know about the digital divide, the students and the population that don't even really have access to technology. They may not have internet or high-speed internet. They may not have iPads or tablets or laptop computers. But even more so than that, it's not just about students who don't necessarily have the equipment. Even some students that do have the equipment, do they know really how to use the equipment? Yes, they can go to a CNN.com. Yes, they might be able to go to a website. But do they know how to use technology? Are they fully confident in terms of, you know what, if I record a video, how do I send it to somebody? Can I email it to them? Okay, maybe the file now is too big. So if the file is too big, what do I do? Can I upload it to Google Drive and then attach the file to the email? Or can I just send a Google Drive link? Like, do I know how to add titles and things to text and things of that nature? Do I know how to, certainly I would imagine everybody knows how to upload a video to YouTube, but can I add titles on YouTube? Can I edit and things of that nature? It's just some basic things sometimes when I work with students that I feel like they should know in upper grades. We're talking like high school. You know, I've been talking to, adults and things of that nature, and they talk about students now being required for some colleges to do video essays. So is a student comfortable recording their video and uploading it to the platform? Later on, when they get to that point, will they need help? That's something that should be super easy, to record a video and upload it to a platform. And while it seems easy for many, it may not be easy for some, and that's where the equity comes in. Like, are all students across the board getting this knowledge so they'll be set up to compete and succeed and operate in the 21st century where it will be technology heavy? Math, yes, that's going to be necessary. English, that's going to be necessary. But technology is going to be necessary as well. And that's where I feel media comes in. That's where media training in schools, in the classroom, is so important. It's not just about journalism or being a part of the media, but it's about being comfortable and confident using technology. If I record a video on my phone, now what can I do with that video? Can I share this video with other people? Can I convert this video? Can I actually if I'm on the internet, can I download videos from the internet? Can I download pictures from the internet and actually start to edit slideshows and actually start to edit videos? Just making sure students are comfortable with technology. Can I now add a voice to these pictures? Can I actually record in my phone and now am I able to record my voice and put them to pictures and put it all together? And now can I start to be creative and do that sort of thing? And then when students learn this along with different topics, coupled with that, now students start to unleash their creativity. Certainly, as I record this video, the Electoral College has officially announced that Joe Biden will be the president. So then now we're talking about information. How can students start to take maybe how many votes each state had in the Electoral College and really start to maybe make graphs or make charts or do visuals and things of that nature? Not just going to a website to understand what the Electoral College means, but actually being able to work with technology, specifically work with media, because now in the 21st century, jobs, you'll need those type of skills. And some jobs do train you, but if you already can hit the ground running, how much better prepared, how does that set students apart when they get out into the workforce? So trying to close that gap, trying to make sure that students are up to speed. This is so key as we move into this technological society, that students don't just learn math, don't just learn reading. So many schools have music and so many schools have art. While that's all well and good, music and art doesn't necessarily teach technology. And media teaches technology. Certainly I can get into media and how powerful that is with the message. And it comes to the Electoral College, and we know how some people tried to talk about the election was fraud. So when somebody is in front of the camera and disseminating information in the media is super powerful. Certainly I believe more powerful than art, more powerful than music. But that's a different topic and a different video for another day. But in terms of technology, it's important that students are comfortable and confident using technology in a variety of different forms, whether it's video, Adobe, whether it's Photoshop and pictures, whether it's PDFs and PNGs, whether it's JPEGs and MP4s. Students need to be comfortable using technology with different files, download, upload, sharing. And I believe that media can play a big role in that. If this resonates with you, if you're an educator and you believe that your students need to learn more about technology and media can help them, different modalities in terms of visual learners, not just learners who write, in terms of their creativity and how they can actually make some things, and critical thinking, analyzing information. If this resonates with you and you feel like your students need these life skills, I encourage you to check out Video Journalism Pro. www.videojournalismpro.com. As a matter of fact, I'd love for you to book a call to chat with me to learn more about the program and how it can help students be comfortable and confident with technology, and also using media to tell stories, to develop their creativity, to develop those critical thinking skills, those communication skills, and promote your school, enhance the school's brand. Thanks for watching this video.